Welcome to this PySpark tutorial on padding in Databricks. In this video, we will explore how to use padding function effectively in PySpark. Padding can be useful when you want to manipulate strings in your data frame to achieve consistent formatting, like aligning numbers and adding leading zeros, uh, etc. We will work through complex examples that demonstrate padding within PySpark transformation with the detailed explanations of each step. Make sure to watch till the end for all the tips and tricks. Let's dive in. Okay. Okay. And now creating an sample data frame with a various string lengths. Let's assume we have a data frame. Okay, a data frame with a list of products and their IDs of varying lengths. Okay, and next step is define the schema for data frame columns. First, a product ID, and second is product name. Okay, and now display the original data frame. Yep, that show. Okay. Uh, First example. Example one. Using LPad, left pad to pad product ID and leading zeros. We will pad the product ID column so that all IDs have a fixed length of 5 characters. And LPad will add leading zeros if the ID is shorter than 5 characters. Yep. Okay. And now show the data frame after applying left padding. Yeah, you can see here. For example, this length of this product ID is three characters, and here LPad add 2 characters to here, 2 zeros here, because B equal with 5 characters. Okay, next example is using the RPad to pad product name with a trailing spaces. Okay, and show the data frame after applying right padding. Okay, you can see here, add some, yes, add 10 character in right side. Okay, and Third example is combining LP pad and write pad in complex transformation. In this step, we will combine boost padding techniques. LP pad ensure product ID have a length of 5 characters with a leading 0, and write pad to ensure product name are 10 characters long with trailing spaces. Okay, and using a concat function to ensure it handles null values correctly. And finally, show the final data frame with a combined padding and formatted string. Okay, you can see 3 columns add to original data frame. Padded product ID here, left, and this one for right, and combine two here combine to a left pad and right pad. Thank you for watching.